I'll show you exactly how to open a Revolut account, including the new Smart-ID verification. Whether you're in the UK, Europe, or the newly supported regions like Mexico and Brazil, this is the fastest way to get a borderless bank account. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. For this to work, you will need a smartphone with a working camera and a valid government-issued ID like a passport, national ID, or residence permit. Pro tip: if you have a biometric passport, the one with the little chip symbol on the cover, keep it handy. The NFC chip scan is the secret to instant approval. To begin, download and install the app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your mobile number, making sure the country code is correct, then tap Sign Up. You'll receive a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Enter it into the app to proceed. Set a 6-digit passcode. Make sure it's something you'll remember, but don't use your birthday or 123456. Immediately turn on Face ID or fingerprint login when prompted. Revolut uses this for Smart ID authentication in 2026, which is much safer than just a PIN. Next, you'll enter your name, date of birth, and home address. You will be asked for your tax identification number or TIN. Do not skip this. Currently, global banking regulations are much stricter. If you don't provide your tax ID within 30 days of opening the account, Revolut is legally required to restrict your outgoing transfers. Just grab your local tax card or check your last payslip to find the number. This skips the manual review process entirely, getting you approved in minutes instead of days. Revolut will now show you the latest tier list: Standard, Plus, Premium, Metal, and Ultra. Standard is free and perfect for most people. You get a free IBAN and access to the Revolut X crypto exchange. Ultra is for high flyers. It includes 24/7 lounge access, 0% FX fees, and the new RevPoints multiplier. My advice is to start with the standard plan. You can always upgrade later if you need higher withdrawal limits or travel insurance. Once your identity is verified, you don't have to wait for a piece of plastic to arrive in the mail. Go to the Cards tab, select Virtual Card. Add it to Apple Wallet or Google Pay immediately. You can now go to a store and pay with your phone, or shop online while your physical card is being shipped. Standard users now pay a small delivery fee for the physical card, but it's usually delivered via express tracking within 3 to 5 business days. If your account says under review, it's usually because your ID photo was blurry. If it's been more than 24 hours, reach out to the in-app chat. They are very responsive. Now that you've successfully opened your account, the next step is crucial to prevent it from being flagged. Click to watch this video right here to learn how to fully activate your account, add your first funds, and unlock all the banking features. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best Revolut video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.